Yan yung first na gagawin ni Daddy Mike. What did you eat today?
It's banana.
Banana?
So lucky, some cigar.
Ano? Is that Paris? Is that Paris? Ang smoke alarm guys ba? Nag beep beep beep. Welcome back to our channel. It is now 1:10 ng hapon at nag-lunch break si ate nyo. It is, anong araw nga ba today? It is Thursday, kaya si baby girl natin ay nasa childcare. And ngayon ay si ate nyo pupunta sa post office kasi kailangan ko tong i-drop. Remember sa previous video ko, pinakita ko sa inyo at sinabi ko na yung jeans from ASOS, sobrang laki niya sa akin. Kaya kailangan ko siyang ibalik for a refund para makabili ako ng bago na smaller dito. Kasi sobrang laki niya. And si Daddy Mike pala natin today ay walang trabaho kasi annual leave niya. Kahapon at today annual leave niya. Bukas balik to work na naman siya. Pero nagluluto siya ng... Uy, bakit ang dilim? Nagluluto siya ng something na makakain. Hi, Daddy! Ayan. So, nagluluto siya ng pang, ano niya, mga lunches niya ba. At mag-gym yan siya after. Hindi ako mag-gym today, guys, kasi kailangan ko nga itong dalhin sa post office. At since 45 minutes lang yung break ng atin nyo, pag working days, kaya, ayan. So, I'm going now, guys. Nandito ang ating Daddy Mike. Huy! How are you feeling na wala kang, ay, Tagalog na noon.
Sorry.
How are you feeling that you are not working today and actually yesterday as well? Are you feeling good?
I don't know. I was thinking about it just before. I'm pretty bored. Like I feel like I'm at home, but I'm not doing anything.
Go gym.
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm just saying, like, yeah, it's not like usual time off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where it's like, oh, I'm gonna go out, get a haircut, or go out and do something.
Yeah. Actually, guys, yan yung first na gagawin ni Daddy Mike pag nag-open na yung mga shops. I'm not too sure kung kailan mag-o-open yung mga shops kasi lockdown pa rin kami. But hopefully, by this Sunday, i-announce na kung hanggang kailan talaga yung stage for lockdown namin. You're gonna get a haircut after that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm kind of enjoying having the long hair as well. So maybe, I don't know.
So you're not getting a
I'm gonna
haircut?
get a haircut, but I don't know if I'm gonna cut any like length off.
Okay. Bye, Daddy.
See you, love.
Labas na tayo, guys, at sobrang mahangin. Hala! Grabe kahangin. Yeah. Yung mask ko pala ay nasa sasakyan. So, yeah, I'm not going without a mask. Baka ma-fine tayo. Yeah. Sobrang ganda ng araw today. Very sunny. At hindi siya masyadong malamig. Sana ang ating key. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa sasakyan, guys. Ayan. At alam nyo, ito siya ba? Diba, i-return ko nga. Very easy yung pag-return kasi kailangan mo lang, i-hit mo lang yung return na button and all. Tapos, mag-generate sila ng paperwork para sa return nga nito. Pero, kasi wala kaming, ang tawag dito, wala kaming printer sa bahay. Hindi ko ma-print, obviously. Pero, nabasa ko naman sa Australia Post website na pwede daw sa kanila magpa-print. Tapos sila na yung mag-attach dito. So, we'll see. Fingers crossed na okay yung gawin, guys. Kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng ma-post kung wala yung ano niya, yung return na label niya ba. So, yeah, I'm really hoping na magagawa nila yan. And while nandun ako, guys, gusto ko ring bumili ng prune juice for Paris para sa constipation niya. Naging okay na naman siya, pero nakaudo na siya actually. Pero napansin ko kahapon na she's still pushing. So, lumalabas yung dumi, pero parang medyo nahihirapan siya ba. So, I gave her the Coloxil last night. And yeah, but still I'm gonna go get the prune juice. Nung baby pa talaga siya, this happened to her. Tapos prune juice lang yung pinainom namin sa kanya, and it helped her a lot. So we'll see if that will, you know, do its magic this time. But anyways, I gotta go now, guys. I'll see you very soon. So we're back in the car, guys, from the post office, and you know what? May problema tayo. Dala-dala ko pa rin yung parcel natin. Kasi nga, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, yung ASOS ang nag-generate ng return label. I'm very happy kasi yung post office, pwede sila yung mag-print, tapos sila yung mag-attach dito. Kaya nga lang, binigay ko sa kanila yung, ang tawag to, yung barcode, yung label, pero hindi daw mag-work. Sabi ni ate na it's not valid daw yung tracking number na binigay ng ASOS sa akin. So sabi niya, just contact ASOS again. Tapos, sabihin mo na lang na yung label hindi nag-work and maybe they can give you a new one. Kaya, unfortunately, I can't find any number para tawagan yung ASOS, guys. Kaya, kinontak ko na lang sila through Facebook Messenger. Tapos, yun lang. They asked me to provide all my details, yung order number and the reason, yung mga address and all. But, ito yung sabi nila. Thanks. We've passed this info on to our team. You may not get an instant response, but we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So who knows kung kailan sila magre-reply sa akin, guys. So I guess I might have to keep this one for now. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. Anyways, what can we do, right? Magdadrive na ako papunta doon ngayon, guys. O kasi bibili ako ng prune juice for Paris, and gusto kong pumunta sa Chemist Warehouse kasi kailangan ko rin bumili ng day cream ko kasi last na yung ginamit ko kanina. Huling patak. Huling patak na lang ng day cream, so I need a new one. See you soon. Dito ako nagpark sa mismong harapan talaga. Front door talaga ng Chemist Warehouse. Ayan. Tapos yung IGA naman, guys, is nandun sa likuran. Diyan lang, oh, ayan, oh, IGA. So malapit lang siya. I can probably get the prune juice from Chemist Warehouse. We'll see how it goes. I am back, peeps. Papakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung mga napamili ko sa IGA. So, bumili ako ng corn kernels. Ayan. And then, I bought Hello Panda snacks for Paris. And I've got this prune juice. So, yung maliit lang yung binili ko, guys. Kasi hindi naman talaga kailangan yung malaki. And then, bumili ako ng double choc Big M na ice chocolate. And then, you know what, guys, bumili ako ng ice cream na ganito. So, hindi talaga kami nag-ice cream sa bahay. Hindi nyo talaga kami nakita na nag-ice cream before. Pero, sabi ni Daddy Mike, just buy this one. Kasi, pag binibigyan namin si Paris nung medicine niya for her constipation, parang ayaw niya. Lahat naman siguro ng mga bata, mostly yung mga bata, ayaw talaga sa medicine. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, bumili ka nito, tapos pwede lang yung lagay yung medicine dito, kasama dito sa, sa ice cream. Kasi sure na sure kakainin ni Paris. Kaya, ayan. Yan yung last resort namin ni Daddy Mike. And then, bumili ako ng California sushi. California roll. And then, ito yung binili ko from the Chemist Warehouse, guys. First time kong itry to. Ayan. It's the Elizabeth Arden na moisturizer. And naka-sale siya, kaya ito yung binili ni ate nyo. So, I think the original price was $40 something. Tapos, yung nabayaran ko was only, magkano ba to? $20.69. Ayan. So, naka-sale si ate niya dito. And malaki yata to siya, guys. It's 75 ml. Tingnan natin sa loob, eh. Yung last ko kasi is Olay. Ganito pala siya sa loob. Ayan, ala. It looks fancy. Ayan. Anyways, let's go back now, guys. Kasi kailangan na ni ate magbalik sa trabaho. My Lord. Working again. I'll see you later, guys. Hi, guys. It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon. And that's the time of the day. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl. Ba, ayan. Upo-upo muna ako dito for how many, mga ilang minuto lang ba, pa-relax. Si Daddy Mike pala ay nanonood nito. Jordy Shaw. Who's watching this show? Daddy Mike loves it.
Get it off it.
You love it? You've been watching it since last night.
Yeah, it's because there's nothing else on. I don't like it. At all.
Dala ko pala to guys, oh. Yung ating prune juice. Kasi ibibigay ko kay Paris and see if magustuhan niya to. See if she'll drink it. Sa sasakyan ba? Yes. It's Paris. Hello, honey girl. How are you, my love? Where's your water bottle? Put your water bottle in here.
It's fun.
Open? Open?
More?
More. Open the bag. Have a look at your water bottle now. It's gone.
I'm jumpy.
Oh, you dropped it. Yeah, put it in the bag.
Oh, here's your money.
Yeah, that's your bunny.
This is Paris.
Is that Paris's bunny? Okay. Mama will sign you out, okay? Say hi, okay? Oh. Uy. Boom! Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends. I'm going through.
You're in school. Kisses, Mama. I love you, no?
Am I?
Sarah, Rachel.
Please.
Go na, push the door. Push. Open the door. Push the door. Yeah, this one. Push. Whoa! Quick na kasi it's too cold. Yay! Gruffalo. Where's the Gruffalo? Show me your bunny, B. B? Wow, nice bunny. I've got some juice for you in the car. Woo! Hey. I've got some juice. Yes. Juice. Juice in the car. What is Paris having? Cookie. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, kasi nag-try siyang uminom kanina ba ng prune juice. Hindi na nagustuhan. Pero it's all over her. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Oh, mag-change tayo ng damit, nak. Change tayo ng damit. How's school, nak, be? Did you have fun at school? Huh? Did you play? You did not play? What did you eat today?
It's banana.
Banana?
So lucky, M50.
Ah, they gave you banana and you didn't like it.
Did you eat the bread?
No.
What did you eat then?
Cookie.
Cookie. No. No.
Was Elwood naughty today? Was Elwood naughty? Nah, it's okay. I'm okay. Was Elwood naughty? He's good?
Mag-change siya tag-top big eh. Bulingot kay katanawon. 6:30 ng gabi and magluluto na tayo ng dinner natin. I will be cooking rice. Ayan, nakalabas na ang ating maluwagang rice cooker. Tapos, yung binili natin from the other night na pork. Ito siya. Ayan. Yung very thin lang na, tawag ito, belly. Yeah, quick cook belly slices. And siguro maririnig nyo si Daddy Mike tsaka si Paris ay nanonood ng Peppa Pig. So maglalagay na naman tayo ng isang sakong bigas. Isang sako talaga. 5 kilo lang pala. Sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal ng bigas. 2 baso yung lulutuin natin na kanin, guys. Ayan. Kasi, I know, gustong-gusto ko talaga to siya. Kaya, for sure, marami akong makakain na kanin. And then, gusto kong meron pang maiwan para bukas. Para may tinughong na naman tayo ba? I really love tinughong, guys. Sobrang simple lang talaga. Nakasalang na ang ating kalha, guys. Kalha talaga. Yan. Tapos ito yung gagamitin natin na oil. Olive oil. Yung spray lang para hindi masyadong marami yung malagay natin. Binigay ko kay Paris kanina yung prune juice para i-try niya. Kasi matamis naman talaga, guys. Pero si Paris lang talaga is sobrang fussy talaga sa mga iniinom at kinakain niya. Nag-try siya pero I don't think nagustuhan niya. Kaya I think we're going to do our last resort tonight na parang bigyan siya ng ice cream pero ilagay yung tawag ito yung medicine ba sa ice cream para makain pa rin niya. Okay naman yung gano'n. Kasi yun yung nakasabi sa box ng medicine. Okay pag ganun yung gawin. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, dito ng baby girl, guys, oh. Kaya ang smoke alarm ba kay nagpuan? Ang smoke alarm, guys, ba beep kasi sobrang nag-smoke na ito sa bahay dahil sa niluluto ko. Hala, hindi naman siya nasunog, guys. Ano lang, tawag dito, ganyan lang talaga ba? Mag-smoke lang talaga siya. Natakot si Paris. Sabi ni Paris, Mommy, what is that? Inopen namin ang mga doors para malabas yung mga aso-aso. Yan. Guys, so ayan, open ang ating door, oh. Itong kasi, tingnan nyo. Very safe talagang magkaroon ng ganyan sa bahay, no? Kasi konting lang ba? Konting usok lang. Ayan. Luto na pala ang ating, ay, nandito silang dalawa. Luto na ang ating meat, pero ang ating rice ay hindi pa. Kasi 2 baso yung niluto ko, diba? So medyo natagal na.
6, 7, good. Uy, this is the big dog.
Look at the wolf.
Woof, woof.
Look at the doggy.
The wolf's on the TV.
Little doggy. What's the color of the dog?
It's black.
It's black and
White.
Brown.
brown. Is it brown? Is it brown, my love? Who's this?
Go Tito. Come look at the hat.
Tito?
Yes.
Hala, gwapuha sa man Tito na kay.
Go witch.
Is that the witch?
Yes.
Witch reading the book.
The witch is reading the book.
Mommy and Daddy and the dog have gone for a walk.
I'm gonna go in the park.
That's right, they've gone to the park.
Bulonggo siya naman.
Hi, this one the good doggy.
Nak, were you scared, Nak, of the sound? Beep, beep, beep. Were you scared?
The big bad meows lives on the chocolate moon. And then look who's here. It's Mother Duck.
Where am I?
Quack, quack.
And the horsey. The horsey, look at the horsey.
Look, husky's back.
And who's that?
Cat.
Is that the brown cat?
Suppose cat. This one's witch.
Where's Bruce the shark?
Suppose a shark.
Where's Bruce the shark?
No.
Is he under Mummy's car?
No, Daddy. It's finished.
Finish.
Finished. What about? Count how many dogs?
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
Yeah!
I'm gonna cut boot.
Where's the cat book?
Daddy go get the cat book?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please. Uy.
That's please.
Yes, please, Daddy. Yes, please, Daddy. Have a look at your hair, Naka. Achush! Oh. Guys, plano ko ba naputulan yung bangs ni Paris? Nak, gusto kag bangs, Nak? Pareha kang Mimiya.
The peach, come with me. Let's find the shell.
A big pussy.
That's right.
Tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl, guys, oh. So, after namin kumain ng hapunan, binigyan siya ng daddy niya ng, di ba yung sabi ko, ice cream na may medicine.
A bucket.
Tingnan nyo ang kanyang mukha.
It's a bucket.
It's a big face. Show Mama, babe. Show Mama the face, babe. Show Mama the face. Uy. Bulingit nga bata.
It's a bucket.
Have a look at your face, Naka. Na, have a look at your face, na. Hello. Hello. Is that Paris? Is that Paris? Gara yun siya ko smile. Is that Paris?
The chocolate ice cream.
Yeah. Did you eat chocolate ice cream?
Face.
On face, yeah. Well, what are we doing now, honey? Can you tell our friends? What are we doing now?
Basketball face.
Yeah, bath so we can wash our face.
Like this.
Smile, honey. Smile. Show teeth. Yeah.
Then go to face.
Mm.
Just changing it.
Come on, let's go.
Hi guys, it's now 10 o'clock ng gabi. Pumunta lang ako sa kwarto na to para i-end yung vlog natin. Si baby girl natin ay tulog na pala. Nagdede siya after ng bath namin. Tapos nakatulog na siya guys. Kaya ngayon lang ako nakalabas para mag-end ng vlog natin. Yeah, I just wanna say thank you as always guys sa suporta niya pinapakita niyo sa ating channel. Of course sa pamilya ko. We are very very happy at nai-enjoy talaga namin yung mga lovely comments niyo. Kaya keep them coming. Maraming salamat talaga. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out before tayo matulog. Shout out to Our Life Australia Philippines, Irene Banas, Lisan Bansil, Marivic Valcorza, and also shout out daw sa kanyang baby love, Archiles from Lower Hasaan. Shout out to Helen Abiertas. And shout out daw sa kanyang baby na si Sandra. Shout out to Rebecca Zunega. Shout out to Chari Salazar. Tita Ruth Morales from Siargao. And also to her 3 kids na si John, SJ, and Queenie. Shout out to Delia Rulago and kids. Gina Sangila, Josie Carzano, and also shout out to Carzano family of Marikina, Evert Suta 53, and also shout out daw sa kanyang anak na si Maria Micaela Sueta, Pichi Santiago, LV Real from New Jersey, USA, Joyron Cruz Minduamora, and yeah, shout out daw sa Mendoza and Amora family. Hello sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Elaine Norris Lavoy. Shout out to Jerry Ann Kaintik. Shout out to Jerry Ann from Italy. Shout out to Emelita Menor, Jamel Balmonte, Myla Betasolo, Irene Aviles, Trinidad Oscoro, Gamer TV, Noranisa K, Gladys Mandanhuyan, Hope Marie Hill de Casa 24, Jeneline Balcorsa, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Rosana Mansueto, Glenda de la Cruz, Janice Dayao, Mad Brat. Shout out to Kim Carlisle Bitonio, Bunnyville Bulawin, Janet Gordon, Meldy Kun, Marini Zerk, Mylene Franco, Pinay and Brandy Rose, Zyla Mi, Moneth Artiliaga, Rosemary La Rosa, Emmy Garcia, Hazel Pasatiempo, Margie Pandak, Rowena Racho, Marianne Josu, yan ba yung pagbasa? Shout out to Christine Joy Tabak, Avi Villegas, Nilda Beltran, Jeran Owano, Feli Toledo, Rina May Rica Huerta, and Bernadette Elmido. That's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah.